Hey everybody, welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Wendy's Sawsum sauce. Cue the music. New content. Alright, you clicked on my face because you want to learn how to make Wendy's Sawsum sauce, so let's head into the kitchen and see what our ingredients are. We have a half a cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, a 1/4 teaspoon of liquid smoke, and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. And then we're going to add our seasonings, 2 teaspoons of paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Alright, that's what our ingredients are. Now we're going to head into the kitchen and mix this up. Alright, let's start out with our wet ingredients. We're going to add a half a cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, a 1/4 teaspoon of liquid smoke. Just want a hint of this in there. You don't want a lot. 1/4 teaspoon, and then a teaspoon of vinegar. Alright, we have our wet ingredients in there. We're going to go ahead and mix these all up before we add our seasonings and herbs and spices, just to incorporate everything together. Alright, that's mixed together. Now I went ahead and just mixed up all of our seasonings, the paprika, the garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and sugar, because I don't have enough of the little bowls to make it pretty and display my ingredients. So that's all in there. And I'm just going to go ahead and dump that right into the bowl with the mayonnaise and ketchup. And we're going to mix this all up. It's going to be a tangy one, I can tell. Alright, there is the sauce. I got some fries in the oven. We're going to plate this up, make it look pretty, take some pictures of it for social media, lay those pictures into the timeline with some groovy music, and then we're going to try this out. Enjoy the pictures and enjoy that music. Well, there we go. There's that sauce. Wonderful looking sauce. It smells pretty good. Got a couple fries here. We're going to give it a taste. Wow. First thing I'm getting is the mayonnaise, of course. It's got a real rich texture. Wow. Then the garlic and the onion are hitting me, and the paprika and the liquid smoke give it a little bit of smokiness to offset that garlic and onion. The mustard and the ketchup are in there. The vinegar in there. And the sugar, make it a sweet and sour sauce, of course. But this is good. Wendy's hit it out of the park on this one. You can use this on onion rings, chicken strips, tater tots. I'm doing French fries just for this video. Everything's down in the description box. Make sure you hit that description box to see the full ingredients for this, and also some other groovy stuff that I've got down there. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you leave a comment below. Let me know how you like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. And then share this video with everyone that you know. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye bye.